Welcome back to all my friends, followers, and subscribers. Hopefully you will like and share this video or your favorite video of mine. I'm just at home working this morning. Doing a little bit of work online, checking emails, answering chats, doing paperwork from home. I decided to work from home today because I wanted a lazy day. So as you can see, the bonnet is on. There's no makeup on. I guess I could have given y'all some lip gloss for this video, but anyways. So you can hear the kids in the background. So I didn't get a peaceful day at home by myself like I thought I would. But I am here getting a little bit of work in and enjoying the home life. I hope you all are doing wonderful. This is just going to be a couple of clips into my week and with Father's Day. So hopefully all the guys on my channel enjoyed your Father's Day, had a wonderful and blessed Father's Day. And hopefully those of you that still have your fathers in your lives, you were able to enjoy all of your fathers, all of the dads, all of the husbands. Happy Father's Day. So let's get into the rest of this blog. Okay, I was going to give y'all some typing, but with all the TV and everything going on in the background, it didn't pick up the typing ASMR, and I didn't want YouTube to strike the video. So I will get you guys some ASMR in another video, I promise. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Click, tag, comment, share. Let me know what y'all want me to do down below. As far as, nail videos and stuff, I have been uploading you guys some shorts. So make sure you check out the shorts on how I do things with my nails, because I have that uploaded for you guys. All right, y'all. I done spent 2 weeks trying to get this McFlurry. At least they don't short you on the napkins. I've been to 4, 5, or 6 McDonald's. I've complained to McDonald's, wrote complaints and everything. Don't never have no freaking ice cream, no freaking McFlurries. Okay, stop advertising stuff you don't have. Ooh, my fry's hot. Okay, y'all. How to get hot fries in a minute. Just say no salt. Finally got the McFlurry. This don't even look like, I guess it's the thing it come in. Y'all tell me, have y'all tried it? But it looked like my McFlurry melting. I just ordered. If y'all don't know about fries and the sundae, even a regular sundae, if they decide to have ice cream, get you some fries and put it in the sundae, especially a plain sundae. But let's taste this McFlurry. But regular fries in the sundae, y'all. But if you want your fries piping hot, order fries with no salt. Order fries with no salt. You can get a salt packet from them or whatever, but order your fries with no salt. You can get some fresh fries. It's not bad. I don't like crunchy stuff in my ice cream. And the app didn't tell me what was all in it, because for some reason my app is set to my McDonald's, and since my McDonald's don't have it, I can't even click on it to see what's in it. It's like, it's butterscotch. It's butterscotch. And look at all that crunchiness. Maybe if I stir it, maybe all the butterscotch is on the top. Let me see. Well, she put a lot of them nuts or whatever. So if y'all haven't had it yet, it's pretty good. It's butterscotch. I'm not a big butterscotch fan, but it's good. And you gotta have fries with it. You got to. Even if you don't want this, go to McDonald's, order a sundae, and get some fries. And eat it together. The salt, it's like the ice cream and the saltiness, or the fries, I don't know. I've been doing that for years. Like whenever I get a sundae, I gotta get fries. It's not bad, but if I am able to get another one, I'm gonna tell them don't put all these crunchy things in there. I don't like to chew my ice cream. And the way she did this one, you gotta chew it. It's fall out. She put a lot of whatever's in here that's crunchy. Alright. I finally got it. I'm telling y'all, I'm not lying. I've been trying to get this thing for like 2 weeks. And no lie, don't laugh, y'all. Yesterday I went to 2 McDonald's. Neither one of them had it. The week before I went to a McDonald's, they didn't have it. I went online and complained to McDonald's. They ain't responded yet. Because I'm like, just stop selling ice cream altogether. Like, every time you try to go get an ice cream or a milkshake, well, where I'm from, I'm shutting down. I wrote McDonald's. I said, just stop selling it. Like, y'all tell me. I never went to Wendy's and their frosting machine was down. I have never went to Wendy's and their frosting machine was down. And when we had Checkers, if y'all know what Checkers is like Rallies. When we had a Checkers, I never went there and they didn't have milkshake or ice cream. Never. I don't know if McDonald's trying to get a reputation for that. But it's so aggravating because they have soft serve ice cream and that's what I like. And this one, I feel like this one right here, I had to go out of the way, but this McDonald's right here, they don't have no choice because there's a Steak and Shake across the street. They don't have no choice but to keep their ice cream lit. Because Steak and Shake right there. But I'm not gonna bore y'all. Just want to show y'all I got my grandma McFlurry. I got it out my system. I would not get it again unless they cannot put all this crunchy stuff in it. If I can have it custom made, I would get it without the crunchy stuff. That's all. That's all. It's good though. It's good. Hey guys, I was out and about and I wanted to check out Ross and see what shoes they have. I always go on Ross and see what purses and shoes they have. TJ Maxx too. I'm always going to go to the purses and shoes first, and then I'll go to like the clothes, the perfume, different stuff like that. So here are some of the bags that they have. Do y'all know about this I think it's K and L? Is it K and L bag? Who is that? I think his name was on this book bag right here. Kate Spade. They have a lot of different bags out. So if you're looking for purses and bags for the low, don't forget to check out Ross and TJ Maxx. They have stocked up. Usually they go flat, and then right before the holidays you'll see them get like a whole bunch of bags in. But here's that K&L, I think. Oh no, that's Michael Kors. It's gonna show y'all that K&L bag. I don't know who that is. If y'all can hear my granddaughter in the back, excuse her. It's been the hardest to edit videos. She's under 2, so if you have kids or grandkids, you know what it is. So yeah, just looking at this is a laptop bag. If anybody needs a laptop bag, I debated on it for a work bag for about 10 minutes, but I was like, nah, I'm not gonna do it because I don't even constantly carry my work bags. But that would have been a really, really good work bag. So we're just gonna go over to the shoes and enjoy the shoes. You guys know I enjoy any shoes with bling on it. So, of course, any shoes that had bling on it is going to catch my eye first. These were cute, though. They didn't have bling on it, but they're cute. I also like to have things in between my toes. So, I'm just that type of person. Every now and then, I'll get a shoe with nothing in between my toes. But I really like to have that strap in between my toes for some reason. I also wanted to show y'all the big old mess. I'm going to show y'all the mess they made in Ross. All of these shoes were really, really cute. I did not purchase anything. I actually left without purchasing anything today, which means I did good. You guys know window shopping, retail shopping is my therapy. But if I see something that's unavoidable, I'm going to buy it. Like that's on sale, I'm going to buy it. I don't know why y'all came here and made this mess and these people stole like this. Y'all need to do better. What if y'all worked here and had to clean it up? So I'm just showing you guys a little clip of the room, the one-day getaway that we did for Father's Day. Very nice room, very nice hotel. Just to get away, relax your mind. There's a house full where we are, so it's kind of good sometimes to just get away, relax, even if you just lounge in the room all day, which we didn't. Half a day we did, half a day we didn't. But we really enjoyed ourselves. The room was really, really nice. And like I said before, I hope everyone had a absolutely wonderful Father's Day because I know we did. And then you're going to see a clip of my mommy and daddy. Yeah, so let's keep going. All right, guys, so I went diamond painting, and this was my first time doing diamond painting. If you're familiar with it, you ask, how do we do anything with these nails? If you want to wear nails, you're going to figure out what you need to do, how you need to do it. You're going to do it when you need to do it, how you need to do it. My project turned out absolutely beautiful. I will be doing it again. I love my hummingbird. I also did a butterfly, and this was my first time doing it, so it's actually very, very nice.